Moe Friends. Whoa! What is a gardener?
They look after the garden,
Oh, why do people have gardens?
so you can have pretty things to look at and you can grow food,
Food? What kind of food can you grow in a garden?
corn
Corn?
and tomatoes.
And tomatoes. What does a gardener do to take care of the garden?
Well, you make sure that there's water and that there's enough airflow. Lots of fertiliser and organic matter is very important.
What is fertiliser?
Fertiliser is plant food.
And that's good for the garden?
That's great for the garden. It's full of micronutrients, so you could have a worm farm.
Yeah. Ugh. Gross. What is a worm farm?
It's a place where you put worms and then you put the scraps in and they eat all the scraps and they make weeds and you use that to feed the plants.
They make wheeze.
Yep.
You feed the plants worm wheeze.
it's
What? Is that good for the plants?
plant food.
I didn't realise they were making food for the garden. Clever worms. So how do you keep these gardens looking so beautiful?
We're always tending to them, always pulling back things so the light can get through, so things don't get too thick, and pulling out the weeds.
What a beautiful garden. Everything looks so... Wow! Oh, you're a scarecrow, not a scare Moe. What do you do to take care of your garden?
Water it?
Do plants need water to live?
Yeah.
Oh, just like you and Moe.
Yeah.
And what else do you do?
Make sure they're in the sun.
Oh, that's why Moe's plants aren't looking good, because they're inside, no sunshine, and Moe accidentally forgot to water them, so no water. Do you think if Moe watered the plants and put them near the window, they'd look better?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa! Oh, that little guy looks like he could use some water. Could Moe please take a look at your thumbs?
Sure.
Oh, that's disappointing. Moe was told that you had to have green thumbs if you're looking after plants. Why don't you have green thumbs?
Well, because I wear gloves. But the saying is that you've always got your hands in the plants, so
Oh.
potentially they would be green.
Oh, gardeners are really nice to the gardens, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think that gardeners deserve cuddles?
Yeah.
Do you think that Moe is a gardener now?
Yeah.
So do you think that Moe deserves a cuddle?
Yeah.
Can Moe please have a cuddle?
Yeah.
Aw. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.